Hello anak ko, ag subsubliman datoy inayo nga nangawngawon. Na imbag nga sa sangbayo dito yan ti YouTube channel ko. Tatangawad nga aldaw anak ko. Ti obraan tayo sa taga i-video tayo ituro kayo ditoy outside the house. No ada ti tour di inside the house adaw ti outside the house, diba? Gusto day karo don. Tatanak ko na panunutak nga Ilocano lang amin nga videos tayon. Padason tayo kumama ti ag English. Ag English kayo. I'm tour you to the outside the house and I will English talk only. Okay? Let's go. Let's do this. First, of course, this is the outside of the house. This is the back of the house. This is the backbone of the house. This is where we are going to cook and we are going to digos. We are going to taking a bath every day and forevermore. And of course here it's our bananas. It's our big bananas. You know that? I like that big bananas. And of course we have our sukdal. You know what is sukdal means? The one you get the damortis. It's right there, the damortis. And of course, we have our sampayan. That's for sampayan. That's for the cloth you will up to the sampayan. That's it. Of course, let's go back to the side of our house. Let's go to this is our dog. Ow, the dog. Of course, another sampayan for our house. That's it, another sampayan. There's a lot of sipit in here. We're going to see the sipit, and of course, we're going to the here we're going here. Okay, this is the side of our house. This is it. That's the side of our house. It's the windows over there and the hollow blocks in here. And of course, we're going to see the damortis I'm telling you lately. That's the damortis. Damortis is an English word. It's the more taste. Damortis. It means it have a lot of taste, okay? That's the more taste. Going back to our outside the house tour is we have patani in here. You know patani? It's patani. I don't know what is the English of patani, but I said it patani, okay? Of course. We have also here the nuang. It's a carabao. That's our carabao. Carabao is so delicious. And of course, we are going to taste right now the damortis. I have something here for you, the damortis. Here. You right here, the damortis. I got it. This is the damortis. This is the look of the damortis. So we're going to bite it and we're going to put it in our stomach and be burp. Okay? Be burp. Okay. Let's eat the damortis. First, damortis. You know what, if you eat it, there's something buccal in there, and you don't want to eat that because that's so gross, okay? That's gross, ew, that's gross. Another damortis. Wait lang. Okay, it ruins my beautiful lipstick. Let's go back to the house tour. Of course, we have also here dump site. You know dump site, it's borobor. It's growing the plastic and the basuras in there. This is our dump site. It's full of plastics like you. There's plastics and basuras in there. Whatever the dump site. Of course, we have also here like you know we use dalikan in cooking and we need some kayo to put fire in there. you know that we have kayo for luto, of course, you know that. And of course we have our host. This is for singing, like, hello, it's me you're looking for. It's for singing. Hapay ka di nga syakin sukat mo. Oh, that's the use of the hose right there. And of course, we're going to the front of our house. It's a little bit... Oh, hello chicken! I'm going to eat you soon. Of course, here also we have plants in here because we need plants in our sides of our house because it's so beautiful to see the house if we have plants. So we're now at the sangu of our house. It's like this. There's naputol. It's broken tree. That's a broken tree. And of course, we have here another flower set of minor awards. Another set of flowers in there. It's so beautiful. Oh my God, the sun is hitting me like this, and I'm going to model it like this, and I'm going so beautiful over there. Oh my God, I'm so beautiful. Of course, let's go back to the outside tour. Of course, here the right side of the house is full of... I don't know what the call is that. It's full of green things, like, I don't know what's the name of that. And of course, we also have here like hose again, and here again. Of course, we have the bangkag in there, and saluyot, and the saluyot again. And of course, guys, that's it. I think that's it for our outside tour. Outside house tour, because our house is so small, and we're going to put some more again soon if we have money. So that's it. Anak ko, our house outside tour vlog. Oh, diba? House outside tour na pinakita natin the beautiness, the beautifulness of our house. That's it. So that's it for today. I hope you like this video, and don't forget to like, share to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for us to be more anak ko and more kakabsat you, of course. Oh yes, this is me in a ngaw, but you can call me today Mother Chismis, okay? That's Mother Chismis, short for inangaw. That's the English of it. Mother Chismis, okay? That's it for today. I love you all, anak ko.